Okay, so hello and welcome back to yet another Unity update on my game. Since yesterday, I've actually done quite a bit. I've fixed all the problems that I had yesterday, and I've added 2 new spells. They're pretty simple spells, but I've got to get through them. So, first of all, I've made... where is it? Well, the Earth Spike comes up a lot faster, and is also I can place it under enemies without having problems of raycasting, so... yeah, that works. And obviously it comes up a lot faster, and it's a lot, it feels better when it comes up that fast. And I missed. Hey. Anyway. I've also fixed Rune, thanks to multiple comments of people saying to use the normals, which I've heard of normals and I knew what they were, but I didn't realise how you could use them. But now, if I place it on this oddly shaped... let me get a bit closer. There we go. Now, the model is really bad. I made it in like a few seconds in Blender just to have something that can place on the ground that looks like you shouldn't be stepping on it. And to prove it works, get these 2 guys, put one down, boom, does damage. Arcane missiles, Earth Spike, Rock Hurl. Yeah. I think that guy got hit twice by Earth Spike. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'll look back at the recording later. So now we've got Arcane Affinity, which is a mana regen passive. You don't equip it, it's just a passive. So if you go up this tree in Arcane, then you get more mana regen. So the regen multiplier is 1.2. As you put more points in, 1.3, and it goes up. And I will get some spells and spam all my mana just to make it go down. So obviously I'm out of mana now, so if I put that point in quickly, you can see my mana is rapidly going up. And if I increase Arcane, it goes up faster. Pretty fast now that I've got 50 points in there or whatever. Now I've just realised I have spent all my points, so I can't unlock the other spells to show you, so I'm just going to run into these guys and die. I also fixed enemy fall damage. I can't really show that very easily, but I show that that works with the raycasting, which was also recommended. And then I changed the player's movement to work the same, and it all works good. And to show that, I can do the player's fall damage, I guess. If I unlock Void Reach and teleport up to that tree. And then wait for a second, yeah. Okay, so my health's on 100, and I jump, and I collide, and take loads damage. So, fall damage works. What else have I got to show? I have not really done anything with Thunderstrike, but actually I can show enemy fall damage. So the way the fall damage works is when the raycast isn't touching the ground, it changes a boolean to be, off the ground. And then as soon as the last frame Y position is lower than the as soon as the Y position is lower than the last frame's Y position, so when it's on its decline back down, it then takes that top position, and then when it collides it, the further it's travelled downwards, that's how it does the damage. So if I knock the enemy up, and he falls, and bang, damage. The higher he went up, the more damage it would have done. What did I just use? Was that Wind Walk? Yeah, I'll show that in a second. Ooh, I've clicked off the game. I'm going to die, aren't I? No, I'm not. He's going to die to full damage. Alright, so what I did there, I have Wind Walk, which is a speed boost, just like the mana regen is also like a boost. But this one's an active item, because it'd be a bit overpowered if my move speed was always that high. It'd be really annoying as well. So let's put like loads of points in here. It's a 4 times boost now that I've got 60 points in. So I'm walking normally, and then I use this. Oh, this is this one. And it lasts for 5 seconds, and then I'm back to normal. I'm very low. I'm going to just go up here and then do the full damage thing to make sure I can... oh, yep, that worked. I fell out of the tree and died. So there's no new fire, no new water. I've shown you the earth, shown you the air, shown the arcane. There's no new light and dark. So I've done the raycasting fix for fall damage. The rune placement on the ground is now flat. On any surface, it's always facing upwards from that part of the ground. And everything works. So at the moment, I've not really got any bugs that are alarming. The one thing I need to sort out is the being able to get rid of items off your hotbar, because I used to be able to do it, but now that we've got some new UI all layered weirdly, well, not weirdly, but all layered differently. I now can't click the buttons to get rid of the items. So that's my job for tomorrow, I guess. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thanks for the support and the help that people are giving. If you have any suggestions, just leave them below. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.